Welcome to Simple Daily English. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to our conversation. Today, Max and I have a very common problem. We are at the front door of the house, but we cannot go inside. Max, do you know why?
Oh, Lily, I am so embarrassed. I am looking in all my pockets. I am looking in my jacket, in my jeans, and in my small bag. I have my wallet, I have my phone, and I have my sunglasses. But I do not have the keys.
Max, we are very tired. We just finished work, and now we are standing outside in the cold. You always put the keys in the same place. Are you sure they are not in your backpack?
I am sure. I checked 3 times. I took everything out of the backpack. I found an old pen, a notebook, and my umbrella. But the house keys are gone. I think I lost them at the office or maybe at the supermarket.
This is a big problem. It is late, and the shops are closed. We cannot call a locksmith now because it is very expensive at night. Let's think together. Where were you today? Let's trace your steps.
Okay, let's see. In the morning, I left the house at 8 a.m. I used the keys to lock the door. I remember putting them in my right pocket. Then, I went to the train station.
Did you take your phone out of your pocket on the train? Sometimes, when you pull out your phone, other things fall out.
That is possible. I was sitting on the train for 20 minutes. I was reading the news on my phone, but I didn't hear anything fall. After the train, I went to the office. I sat at my desk all day.
Did you go to lunch? Maybe the keys are at the restaurant.
For lunch, I went to the small cafe across the street. I had a sandwich and a coffee. I paid with my card. Wait. When I paid, I reached into my pocket for my wallet. Maybe the keys fell under the table?
That is a good guess. But you also went to the supermarket after work, right? You bought milk and bread.
Yes, I did. I was carrying 2 big bags. It was very difficult to walk. When I arrived at the car, I opened the trunk.
Max, look at the car. The car is locked, but can you see inside through the window?
Let me see. I see my gym bag. I see the shopping bags. Oh, Lily, look, on the driver's seat. Do you see that silver thing?
I see them. Those are the keys. Max, you locked the keys inside the car. Now we have 2 problems. We cannot go into the house, and we cannot use the car.
I am so frustrated with myself. I was thinking about dinner, and I forgot the keys on the seat. I closed the door, and the car locked automatically. What do we do now?
Well, we are lucky. I have a spare key for the house, but it is inside the house. However, I remember something. I gave a spare key to our neighbor, Mrs. Miller, for emergencies.
Mrs. Miller, you are a genius, Lily. Mrs. Miller is always home. She is probably watching TV right now. Let's go to her house.
Hello, Mrs. Miller. We have a small emergency. Max locked the keys in the car, and we cannot get into the house. Do you have our spare key?
Thank you so much, Mrs. Miller. You saved our evening.
Finally, we are inside. It is warm and quiet. I am going to make some tea.
And I am going to sit on the sofa and relax. But Lily, we still have the keys inside the car. How do we get them out tomorrow?
Tomorrow morning, we can call the car insurance company. They have a service for this. A man will come with a special tool and open the car door in 5 minutes. It is easy during the day.
You are right. I feel much better now. I learned a very important lesson today.
What is the lesson, Max?
From now on, I will always check my hands before I close a door. I need to feel the keys in my fingers.
That is a very good rule. Also, we should put a key tracker on our keychain. It is a small electronic device. If you lose your keys, you can find them using an app on your phone.
That is a great idea for a person like me. I lose things all the time.
Friends, let's review the important words from our lost keys story. Pockets. The small bags built into your pants or jacket. Wallet. The small leather case for your money and cards. Locksmith. A professional person who fixes locks and makes keys. Spare key. An extra key you keep in a safe place for emergencies. Trunk. The back part of a car where you put your bags. Lock. To close something with a key so other people cannot open it.
Friends, have you ever lost your keys? It is a very stressful situation, right?
Where is the strangest place you found your lost keys? In the refrigerator? In the trash can? Or maybe in the garden?
Tell us your stories in the comments. It is a fun way to practice your English. We love to read about your daily life.
If you liked our story about the lost keys, please give this video a like and share it with your friends.
And subscribe to our channel for more English conversations. We help you learn English for real life.
I am going to put the spare key back in a very safe place now.
And I am going to write "check for keys" on a big piece of paper and put it on the door.
Good idea, Max. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye. See you next time.